a bit my Holland, a bit by after Second World War. And when you are to say, but if you come out, go for position and I open an eye about say a year or million. Unama, then be a boy a president Ronaldo Abaso. I'm going to because you and a prayer. Colonna South Africa and war. South Africa, Bronya drew, me who be down with a Bronya Crabru. Who win the back of also Ghana, as some who can catch a free away. Mr. Blemu, MPP executives, they gave him or no Kwame Plus no camp. Na Ghana say your Maya Yajra and Amonswa, open to talk at the chair and the Captain Smart. This Captain Smart only credibility. Kronf way, Uko Kumasia, police station, Udebisa. Minipadi or Holland, or Toka de Kogana, Captain Smart over Toka. What did Kai, Namidipano, or Titana, when in Saboche, Yaya Kopia Sissus now over. What a Ghana here for Ghana Kata. That is why I take it from here to Ghana. Or call Yana Captain Smart yet more Adam, and or yes, and Nadia, and call Bruno Guy who from Macho Gabi. Because in call Bruno Manaya news and on a boss, as well as him. No, that's all. That's all. Sir, please a country for a bit is a Captain Smart. I want to do. Kadacha FIFA. Minimum when you move here when you miss me up here. And the problems are more can't for so. I do work for the me say, me bag Ghana, over there to say, your future crying a baby and what be a win answer, and yet Jimmy for the second Captain Smart at T4. Make up Obio Nimin answer, Kona shared the policy document for one district, one factory. Nakachira me where it said, say, government in Kwani basi those factories, no. Mom pointing out to mommy. Captain Smart, I want you to go for the one district, one factory policy. Look at the document, point the line that said, say, government is going to be the sole constructor of these whole factories we are talking about. Bring it out, let us see. But do you know why you are able to do that, Captain Smart? You do that because you have no respect for the people that listen to you. You do that because you have no respect for the Ghanaians who have the like who even takes the chance to even patronize your show. Because per the policy document of one district, one factory, we are told that government in conjunction with private sector, keyword, government in conjunction with private sector will bring one district, one factory. So there are some factories that are going to be started from scratch, that is spearheaded by the government. There are other ones that the government is going to partner with businessmen, such as Ibrahim Mahama, aka Jata Cement. Utie. Just so you know, where Muye, Ghana for one. The way a mama membu ne kono, the way a mama wiase kono, mama Ghana kono. Se man hwe ye be kakra ho. Wan ka sa obeton wa wo ho amaniba. Because adwene a mode twene no e wo fom dodo. Mutie, madwene a mode twene ne ama ho no e wo fom. Inti Ghana ni se wo spend 1 minute e di read ade a ebe ye wo den e be kun. Like seriously. So who take you 1 minute? Who take you 1 minute pet? Now all the kind idea sabe Ghana ni ube wu. Into betna wa ye Jimmy for atete kwa sa ama kwa sie bi te se Captain Smart abeda da wa se wa bra bo. Ube jeja wo wa ma Captain Smart e mo no abeka kire wo say ono ne what the policy ono ne wa adwenya e this sebe ye this is on mine into mum bisa sa kwa sia Captain Smart ne say adent na assembly man kro ntumi ngina bi da, because you know your track record is abysmal and stupid. Because onim so ono ankasa na ma me pontu aba ma no, because onim say ono oba na ye Kronf onim pefe Captain Smart man onim say ne ba na ye Kronf. Because when in BB, government higher policy, one district, one factory, in conjunction with the private sector. Factories nibi wahwa abai na esi ne scratch. Factories nibi wahwa so a yene private sector and are joining a yesi.
Captain Smart, which part of in conjunction with private sector don't you understand? Once we Jimmy for Captain Smart, once we are bought down for our doing Yedma. Now the Bubian Quasia for a baby to you. Nayana Yamiga, one Mukuti, and one Amuye Jimmy for more, one Mobabi Tia, Quasia, some we know, Monayana Moyama. Monayana Moyama. Captain Smart, Jinaho, Bekasa Casa Preco. Captain Smart, 2016 Casa Preco, no Omaha, they way. Just say, I dear beer, dim punto baby, these people lack the vision to say, I don't know where Jimmy for class are. South freedom fighters took the country from Aten and where dumps, Aten and Margine, a woosa, Aten and where Jimmy for us for sa. Face the country from Aten and Margine and ye Jumasa. Maybe it's a question, no. Se factory go, and as a factory A go. Nasa baby who nyansa. Unlike Captain Smart, no more party NDC for na idea go or mobile maneguno. Sa baby who's idea maningu. Name will be discovered shame amanage na netumia for nipa government na ebony. Captain Smart, which part of the government just say like just say when you the same way is the same thing, is the same thing. Enna away, Amila, how do you call him? Avram Moshe. Say, Enna, Okasu BC 88, on Simley, I didn't know Kusi 11, agenda 111, or the better dying. Or so a common sense family. Now, so when reading who say 88 now, Nanakasu BC no. Yeah, the reassess ni BB who say there are other districts that only need these hospitals, so we need to include them. And that is how the number changed from 88 to 111. Abraham Bushi also a common sense family. Where ready and kind no antiasia. And I will see when we are then I be 111 because when him say Obekasana, who get to you to know a better word you say and I don't know cross to be 88 when seeing we are then obey 111. But it was the same project. It was the same project. There was nothing different. Mutie, it was the same project. Because I still don't understand. President Corona ba ebe expose ye ni na say ye minor a ban infrastructure in terms of healthcare. We lack it. We lack infrastructure when it comes to healthcare. District 88 now we initially saw say Omuni District Hospital, so they need to get district hospital. Then after rebase na yet na say edwindwini hu ye ne hu say there be o sana ye won krofo bi kura wo people mu ho a na say wura mu ho a omoso mu ni district hospital enti yem form nka ho na instead of 88 no yem pesika kese ne mfinsi 111 in any case hospital ya de bone you see hospital be bre asebe MDC ba omofa me yadwuma say MPP bomodin see hospitals be bre na say NDC ba omoma are they not going to use it? I then